Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bobrick B-5806. This is their straight grab bar. This bar happens to be a 36-inch piece, or length I should say, for purposes of this video. Now the 5806 is, in my experience, the less common of the two common grab bars from Bobrick, the more common being the 6806. Let's discuss this grab bar now. First of all, the 5806 and the 6806, the only difference is the diameter. The 5806 is a smaller 1.25 inch diameter bar, whereas the 6806 is 1.5 inches. Again, in my experience, that's more common. And both are available in a peened, non-slip gripping surface. This is just the standard brushed surface, but if you were to peen this, you would add a .99 in the part number, so B5806 would become B5806.99, and you get a peened surface. This grab bar and its larger cousin are both constructed of 18 gauge Type 304 satin finish stainless steel tube. Concealed mounting flange is 1/8 of an inch thick, Type 304 satin stainless steel. 2-inch wide, 2-inch by 3 1/8 with screw holes for concealed fasteners. It's all welded on. The cover is 22 gauge Type 304 satin stainless steel, satin finish, 3 1/4 inch diameter, and simply snaps over. If I were to take that and literally push it on, like I just did, your installation is complete. It's a snap flange, they call that. This is going to be available in straight lengths that are 18-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, 36-inch, 42-inch, 48-inch. But then there is a variety of other shapes that are available naturally from Bobrick. In-wall, 2 in-wall in different lengths. You're going to be able to get swing-up style grab bars. You're going to be able to have a variety of different shapes that are going to be wall to floor, straddle over the back of a toilet, and every other conceivable sort of item. Naturally, all the Bobrick grab bars are ADA compliant, that to be sure. Now, a very typical and common sort of question that we get about these grab bars is what is the load rating of them, and that answer is given standard sort of accepted methods of installation. The product specification page gives out a number for a load rating in excess of 900 pounds when properly installed. So that's substantial. That's to be understood as completely compliant. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Specification, and it's going to give you all of the dimensional properties of 5806, talking about those different configurations that are available. Okay. There is on page 2 discussion regarding the materials that we've already covered. The important thing to know is the clearance from the face of the wall to the inside of the bar is 1.5 inches. Okay, and that is going to be what would be considered from the wall to the inside of the bar. That's 1.5 inches. Okay, very typical and common. There is also on page 2 of the product specification a paragraph regarding mounting, where the mounting location needs to occur for ADA compliance, references to mounting kits. You can, order different mounting kits that will allow you to get much closer to a finished installation, such as stainless steel number 14 by 2.5 inch sheet metal screws are available. They can also do machine screws. There are winglet fasteners. That is a type of fastener that Bobrick offers compatible with their grab bars that will allow you to install this in a compliant sort of fashion on a hollow wall sort of application. And then there are anchor plates, and those anchor plates are naturally installed when the wall is being built, which is really the best way to go. Or, you're going to stud in around where you are going to have grab bars, and then use the appropriate fasteners. Quite frankly, the 252-30, which are the Phillips roundhead sheet metal screws, stainless steel naturally, 14 by 2.5. It's easier just to buy those with the grab bar, in my opinion, than have to worry about it when they show up, because they'll be stainless steel as well, which is important, obviously, in a restroom sort of application. Now, mounting height for a typical ADA compliant is going to be, bar is going to be between 33 and 36 inch from the center line of the floor to the what is generally the center line of the bar. I believe that range to be a little bit greater nowadays. I think I've seen a more recent ADA compliance book that said 33 to 39, but don't quote me on that because I'm just going off of foggy memory. However, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, and that's handy because you can pull up the Bobrick toilet partition and planning guide for ADA accessible restrooms, and that will refer to the information and is the most current document available from Bobrick. Also helpful is a link to the product catalog of all Bobrick items. They obviously manufacture a comprehensive offering of items that will be used in a commercial restroom setting. Grab bars, obviously, combination units, soap dispensers, toilet paper dispensers, paper towel, soap, hand dryers. They also do partitions, which we don't sell. That's generally sold through a different avenue with Bobrick. A different set of distribution companies will do that and possibly even install the material as well. And then, finally, there is, next to last, tantamount, there is a link to the Bobrick Service and Parts Manual. So if you have, let's say, a paper towel unit and you want to know what the number is for the lock, the replacement lock, or the key for it, you can search it that way. And then finally, there is a link to the Bobrick manufacturer's website where you can review all things Bobrick related directly. If you have any questions on the Bobrick B-5806, 1.25 inch diameter, straight style grab bar, or any other Bobrick product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.